What's up? So today we're gonna cook some curry goat, some Jamaican curry goat. And guys, I've already started with the season here. In this I have some jerk season, I have curry powder, I have some meat seasoning, and some all-purpose, right? And I'm adding some fresh scallion, thyme, and pepper to this. Also added some crushed pimento. Went ahead and burnt my curry in the oil, because that's what we do as Jamaican. Allow it to cook on the stove for a bit, just to make its own juices, and then I added it to my pressure cooker. Once the meat became tender, removed it from the pressure cooker back to my Dutch pot, a good old Jamaican Dutch pot. Added my veggies, and voila. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.